Hi guys, it's ASBYT and welcome back to a brand new video. Now you may have already heard this news already, but if you haven't and you're into your media streaming and you love everything to do with Amazon, then this might interest you very, very much. Because a few days ago now, by the time this is going to get uploaded, Amazon announced that they will be releasing a brand new Amazon Fire TV stick, a 2018 edition. So let's find out a little bit more about that device. Let's get straight to it. Hi guys, and like I said, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're talking about the Amazon Fire TV Stick 2018 edition, and we're led to believe it's there to replace the Fire TV dongle which came out last year. I know, crazy, right? It's about 9 months to a year old and it's already obsolete. Now we believe this to be true due to a spokesperson from Amazon who said that they have basically sold out of all of the stock and they have no plans to replenish it. So we know it's there to take over from the Amazon Fire TV 3rd Gen, or so we're led to believe, and the price kind of reflects this. There is a $10 price hike on the device, but there's some potential core reasons why this is the case. One, we have now a quad-core 1.7 gigahertz processor compared to the 1.5 we've seen on numerous different Fire TV devices in the past few years, including the Amazon Fire TV Cube. So potentially this stick may cannibalize the sales of the Cube as well, which is their premium device. It's a bit of an odd decision from Amazon to do this, because surely when you have the choice of buying the Cube at £120 odd or a Fire TV stick at £50 with better internals, really, you'd be a bit mad to go with the Cube, wouldn't you? And we also know the new Fire TV stick will have many more strings to its bow in terms of the fact that the remote will have Bluetooth and infrared so that you can control not only your Fire TV stick but other home appliances as well, like your TV, cable box, all of that sort of stuff. It has a new remote which has volume buttons for the first time ever. They don't have to jump for their own TV remote. They've got everything on the actual stick remote now. You will be able to buy the remote separate, but it'll cost you like £30, $30, so it makes no sense to buy it separately. And Amazon claim that it will be up to 80% faster than before. That's quite a big jump if that's going to be indeed the case. So again, surely eating into that Fire TV Cube market. It will now also support all three of the major video standards in terms of HDR, HDR10, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision as well. And we also know it supports Dolby Atmos audio as well. It's got a new Wi-Fi chip which is going to allow for high resolution video streaming to be even faster, Bluetooth 5.0, and there is now greater compatibility voice-wise with a lot of different apps. So they have actually added new features to that voice activation system, and again, it'll be interesting to test when it comes out. Speaking of when it will come out, you can pre-order it now. Apparently, if you're in the US, it will be delivered from the 31st of October, I believe, right ready for Halloween. For all those horror movies, is that Halloween date? Don't even know, to be honest. My head is absolutely all over the place. And then if you're from the UK, and I believe other places in Europe and then further afield possibly, from the 14th of November it will be available. There's probably a few things I've missed because this is a very short introduction video to the device. I will of course be going into far more detail once I get my hands on it. I'll do an unboxing and a review and tell you some of the new features and how it performs as well. So if you want to see that, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and you turn on the notification bell so that when I post that video, you are notified. You could be getting a pretty decent upgrade on your Fire TV stick. Like and share if you did enjoy this video and found it helpful. Subscribe and hit that notification bell if you're new to the channel and want to be notified every time I post a video on anything tech, pretty much daily content here on YouTube. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. Say SBYT, peace out.